Hi guys, welcome to Farm 26. Justin here. Just off the get-go, I'm going to thank everyone for subscribing that did. Leave your comments down below, all that fancy jazz. TW here is going to get a nice little 3-point edition here. Well, enjoy. So here you go, I just got a top link for the old TW. One thing you're going to want to do to have a grease on there. Yeah, new ones, sometimes they got them, sometimes they don't. So here we are with our 3-point. And what we're going to do is we're going to put a quick attach on. Yeah, top pin, you know. And then where'd the lynch pin go? Right there. Alright. So, I am going to paint it though. It's coming blue, but wasn't the right kind of blue. And you know, I'm not going to say that I'm real stupid particular, but man, if it's going to be blue, it should be the right color blue. So we'll give it a little man, if our spray paint works. Man, they do not make these like they used to. Always plugging and okay, say we're not going for perfect, but man, that's at least Ford blue, you know? Alright, so first thing, make sure these arms are down. If these arms aren't down, you're gonna have fun. And they should be going down. Are they? No. It's cold out, they need a little help. You get them all the way down, it just makes it a lot easier. It's still heavy, but at least you can just do one side at a time, and generally you can do them by yourself then. Pretty painless, really. But this little guy here, even if you do struggle with it for a second, he saves a lot later down the road. And to get your top on, it's just a matter of flipping them up. We don't need that no more. Throwing your pin in. That really wasn't too bad. I don't know why some guys struggle with these, but they do. I'm going to finish, put a little more. There. And it's just a matter of getting them somewhat level. And you might ask, what the heck do I need one of these for? Well, the planter, and I'm not saying he's going on the planter, but it is 2-point, and well, I know I'm going to use it to move the planter around a little bit here and there, and it's just a whole lot easier to quick hitch him. He's going to need a drop of oil too. I bought it used. It's nothing crazy. So you can go one more and fix him clapped. And just a couple of little spots that I missed. It is a Spico. I don't know how good they are or aren't, but it's what I got. We don't have a whole lot invested into them. But yeah, now hooking up your plow, not so tough. Hooking up your planter, not so bad. All right, well, doesn't look too bad now, does it? Well, thanks for watching.